my new S&S air cleaner assembly. I was able to put that on, and my Harley mechanic said I would not need to remap the engine, the EFI, because they had already done that for my Screaming Eagle, and there wasn't that much of a difference between them. So, actually, he said there was no difference. There's my steed. Let's see, I got some Boss Bags inserts, stiffeners, and they work pretty well. Harley has their own kind of stiffener now. I still like the Boss Bags. I'll let you look inside here. There's the contour for the lid. You see the plastic and the little Boss Bag sticker in there. One reason I like these as opposed to the new Harley ones is because the stiffener they put in here has some flex and give, and sometimes when we stuff these bags you need that little extra, especially with these Boss Bags disconnects in here. They take up a little bit of room. It's like an air chuck that pulls out, so I'm glad that I have a little bit of room here to work with. And also the way that these lock. There's a little tab right there. I don't know what you call that. And then there's another one on the lid. And it came with a couple of master locks, key to like. So you don't have to have that lock on there. And when it's closed, you can't even tell there's a lock. Whereas on the Harley ones, there's a barrel lock that's always there. And I don't know, for some reason I just don't associate a leather bag with a barrel lock. Another part of this Boss Bag stiffener kit, besides the strip here and then the lid insert, is, well, an insert, you really can't see it from this angle, but it's a plastic piece that goes all the way down around the bottom of the bag and up around the bag here. If I had a before and after, you'd really see a difference in these bags. It's just nice to know they're going to hold their shape now. And these are held on by rivets. You send the kit in, and you send it in, and they do it for you. It's kind of pricey, $200 plus the shipping, but I think it's worth it. There are some glue-on kits you do yourself. Some people have had success with those, but I'm glad I had them do this. I do a lot of the work myself on my bike, but when it came to the saddlebags, I'm glad I had them do it. All right, so that's what my bike looks like. It's a 2006 Heritage Classic. I will show you the other side as well. Just got a new horn from the MetalArts on this side. I have another video that shows it. And I have a PowerLet adapter right on top of the horn as well. And that's for accessories like battery tender, heated gear, and what else? Just anything. An iPhone. Pretty nice, convenient. PowerLet.com. There she is.